Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Jaguar Z key fob, only way. Pry open the fob with a coin at the seam, remove the circuit board gently, swap the CR 2032 battery with the new one, ensuring the plus side faces up, then reassemble the case and test the buttons. Take care to avoid metal contact with the battery terminals and verify the key fob locks and unlocks at least 3 times after replacement. Start by gathering a coin, a small flathead screwdriver, and a new CR 2032 battery. Work on a clean surface and use gentle pressure when opening the fob. Keep small parts contained and avoid static by touching a metal surface. Carefully lift the circuit board, note battery orientation, replace the battery, and then press the case halves together until they snap. Test the remote functions from a short distance to confirm success. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free control and background music while you work. It fits on a bench and helps set timers and reminders when changing a fob. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals and find coupons. Now let's get back to the video. If the key fob still fails, check the battery contact pads for corrosion and clean gently with isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab. Confirm the battery model is CR 2032 and that the battery is fresh by testing with a voltmeter. If problems persist, reseat the circuit board and retest. Avoid excessive force and never mix old and new batteries. For complex faults, visit a dealer or locksmith for diagnostics and secure programming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.